I don't know if I've had a chance to show you this. This is the Xena disc lock, and Xena was kind enough to let me try one out. Got a pretty cool key. You stick a key in, turn it, a little cylinder is going to pop out. See that? Then take it over here to your Brammo Enertia. Stick it right on the disc. Just like that. Turn that in there. Gives it a little warning chirp saying, okay, I'm ready to go. If they try to roll the motorcycle or mess with it, gives a little warning beep like that. Oh my gosh, it's like loud enough to make your ears bleed. Xena, the disc lock, people who are serious about keeping their motorcycles safe.